Forward fold, or Uttanasana, is another classic yoga move. To do so, we'll start in Tadasana at the top of our mat. Feet together or shoulder width apart. On an inhale, we'll bring our arms up and by our head. And on the exhale, we want to fold at the waist. Keeping our legs straight. We'll bring our hands towards the ground. And if possible, back towards the feet. This is Uttanasana, forward fold. Now, the idea with forward fold is to keep your legs straight. Assuming you can't, or your students can't keep their legs straight, we can use some blocks to assist us. Normally we use yoga blocks, but I don't have any, so I'm using cinder blocks. The idea is the same. Start in Tadasana, inhale, arms up, exhale, fold at the waist. Remember, we want to keep our legs straight. So we can use these blocks to help us if we don't have the flexibility currently to reach the ground.